find the percent of a number. Okay? So like if I gave you the number 200 and said, tell me 30% of 200, you'd be able to tell me it's 60. Okay? Now, before you can do that, you have to know the definition of a couple things. What's the definition of the word of?
Multiply.
Yeah, that means to multiply. Okay, so you need to write down that it means to multiply. So the word of means to multiply. Okay, what about is? Is means what? No, is means equals. So is the same as equals. Okay? So let's work our first example. It says find 62% of 200. What did we say of meant?
Multiply.
So you need to make 62%. The first step's make it a decimal. The second step's multiply. So what is 62% as a decimal?
0.6.
So you got 0.62 times 200. And what's that equal?
124.
124. So the way you have to answer the question is you have to complete the sentence.
124.
This is how you complete the sentence. Yeah, 0.62 times 200 is 124. Now you have to complete the sentence. This is the most important part of the problem. 124 is 62% of 200. So you see all I did was take this right here, 62% of 200, and I wrote 124 is in front of it. So you completed the sentence. 124 is 62% of 200. Now, on this problem, it says find 50% of 66. First off, 50% is always half. So half of 66 is what?
33.
So we know 50% of 66 is 33. Okay? But if you didn't know that, you could make this into a decimal, 0.5, and multiply times 66, because the word of means multiply, 66.
33.
And that's 33. Now you got to complete the sentence. So the way you'd answer it is 33 is 50% of 66. Now here it's a little different. It says what number? What do we do for what number? That's what?
X.
X. Good. What does is mean?
Equal.
Equal. 20% as a decimal is what?
Decimal 20.
0.2. And then of means multiply 200. So you see how you set this up? What number meant X? Is means equals. 20% as a decimal is 0.2. And 200, it just goes right here. 0.2 times 200 is what?
40.
So X equals what?
40.
So then you would say 40 is 20% of 200. So now on this one it says find 80% of 40. Okay? So first you make 80% into a what? So I got 0.8 of means multiply times 40. What is 0.8 times 40?
32.
32. So the way you answer it is you say 32 is 80% of 40. Number is 12% of 68. What do we put for what number?
8.
Is means equals.
12%, 0.12.
0.12 is a decimal times 68. What is 0.12 times 68?
8.16.
So 8 equals 8.16. So then up here you write 8.16 is 12% of 68. Alright, so today we learned how to find a percent of a number. For example, if we wanted to know what 25% of 160 was, we could get it by making this a decimal and then multiplying.